Welcome to watch today's fresh home. Steeped in history, Beverley Residence has undergone a remarkable transformation under the careful direction of architecture and interior design practice by Mysa. Beverley Residence was restored not only to reclaim its past but to be thoughtfully reimagined for contemporary family living, all while preserving its architectural lineage. Originally built in the late 1800s, the Italianate Victorian residence was once a symbol of prestige, hosting diplomats and dignitaries before falling into disrepair. Over time, it became a transient boarding house, its grand proportions divided up and repurposed, leaving its original character obscured beneath layers of ill-considered additions. Rather than imposing a rigid new structure, By Mysa approached the restoration with restraint, allowing the dwelling's historic fabric to guide the design.